It's your girl OG Teddy B back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this sultry, sexy Christmas makeup look. If you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button. If you've already been with me, thank you so much for rocking with me. But let's jump right into this tutorial. So I'm going to start off with my brows looking real busted, you know what I'm saying? But we're going to get this snatched with our brow pencil. So I'm using the MAC brow pencil in the shade Spiked. Getting these brows together, and then of course we're going to conceal under our brows because we want them to look very neat, very clean, and very crisp. I'm using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer under my brows, and then I'm just blending the concealer onto my lids. After that, I'm priming my eyes with this Prep and Prime base, and then we are jumping into the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're using that yellowy mustard color there, and we're applying that on the crease. So we're going to apply that in the crease first, and then just above the crease, as you can see here. But we're really going to work that shade into the crease so it looks nice and diffused. We're jumping into that second shade, which is that orangey burnt color, and we're putting that directly in the crease. But we're going to also work it in because we really want the color to pop, and we really want a nice gradient. After that, we're going to go into this slightly darker shade. It's like a reddish brownish tone, and put that directly in the crease, but I'm going to work it in there. I'm going to really build up the intensity and really blend it out because I really want that crease to be defined. You'll see me switch out to the brush I was using before and blend the edges of this color out because again, I want it to be intense, but I really want to work the color in and I want it to look seamless. You'll see it's supposed to look something like this when you guys are done. And I'm going to add a little more intensity on the edges with this pencil brush, and then I'm going to blend that shade out because again, I just want the crease to be very defined, but I still want that gradient effect. After that, we're using that same concealer to cut the crease. So I'm applying the concealer, then I'm kind of shaping it out, then I'm applying more concealer and just shaping it out and essentially carving out the lid area. When I'm done, I'm going to apply that gold shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette all over the lid. And once that's done, I'm going to just kind of blend out the edge because I want it to look really seamless and I want it to blend very well. I'm lining my eyes with my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I did apply some lashes off camera, and I used the Kiss lashes in the style Bustier. So I'm priming my skin, and I'm using my new favorite, which is the Smashbox Primerizer. It's a mouthful. And I use that to prime my skin. I applied some concealer under my eyes and kind of on my blemishes this time around because I didn't want to use that much foundation, but I still ended up using hella foundation, so I just wasted my time. And I'm using my NARS Natural Radiance Foundation in the shade MACAO, and I'm blending that all out. So it's really important for you to take your time and blend your foundation out because you want your base to look very flawless. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to apply my concealer in the same area again. Now the concealer I'm applying now is slightly lighter than the one that I applied before. So that's my MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NC50 and a bit of the NARS, and then I'm blending it all together. So I did take some of that Sasha Cosmetics powder and I applied it with the Damn Beauty blender under the eye area just to make sure we keep everything in place and everything is looking good. After I set my under eye with the Sasha Cosmetics powder, I just took a bit of that definitive powder and just lightly contoured the perimeter of my face. As I lost this clip, but I used Chestnut liner and Spiked lip glass to do my lips. I lost the clip, I apologize, but this is the finished look. It was a quick look, it did not take me that long, and it looks gorgeous. It's definitely something you can wear to a holiday party, or for your man. If you are not following me, hit that subscribe button, but thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.